Okay, let's look at what we have for paper. We're going to start with Christmas paper. So these are full packs I'm going to start with. I have some brightly gleaming specialty paper, and these are just my sheets that I do. So it gives you a good idea of all the different papers in there. And that's beautiful paper, and it's a specialty one with all the copper foiling. And then a full pack of the Let It Snow, which is the really cute snowman, and that has glitter accents on it. A full package of the Balmy Blue glitter paper, or was it called glimmer paper? I can't remember now. It's on the back, but a full package of that. And then I have this one here was called Be Merry, and this is from a couple years ago, and it's a full package of that, so a full 12 sheets. Then I have a full pack of the Penguin Playmates paper, so that one's available. I have 2 packs available of the Poinsettia Place paper, and again, there's my sample. This was probably my favorite paper out of last year's catalog. Then this one, I have 2 of these ones as well, and this is an old one that I dug up. This is this Christmas paper, and I have here, that shows you what the items are, and it's a specialty pack because there were 24 pieces in it instead of our regular 12. This was a piece that Stampin' Up! Had for it, so it's some beautiful paper in traditional reds and greens and with a vanilla background. And then a full package of the 12 Tidings paper there. And then I have some full packages of things that aren't Christmas. So there we have the beautifully penned paper from Celebration, Bird Ballad paper, and we have some of the cherry on top cotton paper. And it's interesting that we have the Eden's Garden cotton paper right now. So this one is, I think this was cucumber. Was the green, but it comes in, I think, 3 different colors if I'm looking at it here. Maybe there's only 2 colors in there, but there are some colors. Now I've moved that out. Everything here is alphabetical to make it easy for us to pick up. The flowering foils, that's a new package. That was a Celebration as well. The Natural Touch paper, which came out with the butterfly promo last year, so that's new. Then the Painted Seasons, a full package of that. 2 packages available of the So Very Vellum from a couple years ago Celebration. 2 packages available of the Woven Threads as well. Now, you do need to let me know. This is 12 by 12 paper, and you need to let me know if you want it cut, for those who are on Facebook, if you want it cut down, and I will cut it down to 6 by 12 and mail it in an envelope if there's only one item that you're purchasing. We will also need to mail it down, cut it down to 6 by 12 if it's going into any of the mailing boxes with Canada Post. Okay, now we get to what I think is probably the better deal, actually, because these are not full packages, and I've got quite a few, but there's all kinds of partial cuts in them. And so you get the cost on them is only for the full sheets, really, and then there's all kinds of extras. So let's see what we've got. We've got the Berry Delightful, the Bird Ballad, Brightly Gleaming, so there's a Christmas one, Christmas Around the World from a few years ago, and it does tell you all of the number of pages that I have in them, so how many full. I'm just going to go back there to make sure I'm giving you that. Then we have Fine Art Floral, and there's 7 full there. Flower and Field, we have 13 full, so this is actually over full. This was a Celebration as well, so I've just combined those there. Then we have the Forever Greenery, and there are 6 full sheets there. Gilded Autumn, which was a specialty one that we had, and 5 full. The Golden Garden, this one's a real deal because I have 1 full, but I've got lots of big sheets on this one, 2 at least, and there were only 3 sheets in the package. This one is a Happiness Bloom, so this is from a while ago. But I really loved how bright and bold this one was. And then there is Love You Always, and this was foil paper from last year's occasions. And there's 5 full, so that one came with 6, but 5 full, and then we've got a nice big sheet here, so there's lots to work with. Then we have Monster Bash up there at the top. And Monster Bash is from a few years ago. There's 5 full of that. Ornate Garden, 4 full of that, and partials, of course. 6 full sheets. Now, these were, I didn't write them down, and I should have. I can't remember what Noble Peacock is, I think what they were called, or Noble Foils. There's 6 full here and 3 full of the foil sheets. The Peony Garden, 3 full sheets there, and the Perennial Essence, 6 full, 8 full sheets of the Petal Promenade. There, I should move it back this way. And then this one I loved playing with. This one was See a Silhouette, and there are 5 full sheets of that. Snail Mail, 5 full sheets. That was just a couple, I think, last occasions. And then World of Good, 9 full sheets, and that one is a specialty. Then we have some great deals on the 6x6s. So this one has 38. There's 38 of the Butterfly Bijou, and that one was sold out really quickly. Then 'Tis the Season, I have 2 packages. One has 48 sheets, so it's basically full package, but it's not necessarily every sheet in there. And that's because we use that for a project. And then this one here has 9 full sheets. And then the last Christmas one I have here is Plaid Tidings, 17 full sheets there. And then we have a few different ones. So Flowers for Every Occasion, 5 full. So just a little package of that one. And then we have some of the ones that I like to always get. So these are the designer paper that is just in the patterns. So this one is 2018-20 in colors, half of a package. 15 full in the 2019-21 in colors. And then we have subtles, 20 sheets, 14 sheets of subtles, 20 sheets of neutrals, 14 sheets of neutrals. Oh, I must use the same amount all the time. 20 sheets of regals and 17 sheets of brights. And that is all the paper. So lots of paper. So again, what you want to do is you want to let me know in the comments when you comment on the post at 3 o'clock which papers you want, and we will be as quick as we can to pull them in the order that the comments come in. Okay, on to the next.